Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The cryptocurrency market has been on a wild ride lately, with Bitcoin's price swinging between incredible highs and vertiginous lows. But what's behind this volatility? According to Quinn Thompson, founder of Lecker Capital, a crypto hedge fund, the correction may just be getting started. And when it does, Bitcoin could be headed below $60,000, potentially sparking a severe downtrend reminiscent of 2022. Thompson's bearish outlook is rooted in his conviction that the Trump administration's policies will have a profound impact on the economy and consumer sentiment. First, he argues that the Department of Government Efficiency's efforts to cut government spending could lead to a slow grind down in growth, which would be particularly painful for people who are already uncertain about the market's trajectory. And then there's the issue of illegal immigration at the southern border. Thompson believes that a crackdown on this labor pool will put pressure on wages, leading workers to demand higher salaries that some businesses won't be able to afford. This, he suggests, could create a ripple effect throughout the economy, ultimately affecting risk-on assets like stocks and Bitcoin. But perhaps most concerning is the role of tariffs in creating uncertainty for businesses. The Trump administration's constant tariff threats have already begun to take their toll, and Thompson expects this trend to continue as the year wears on. With inflation data still not great, he believes that the Federal Reserve will be slow to loosen financial conditions, keeping interest rates relatively high. Thompson's thesis is centered around the idea that there's a lot more coordination between the Treasury and the Fed than people want to believe. He argues that Trump and Fed Chair Powell are actually on the same team, working together to achieve lower inflation and righting the ship of state. But this means that risk-on assets like stocks and Bitcoin will be affected, leading to a lower market. So what's next for Bitcoin? According to Thompson, it could be headed below $60,000 by the end of the year, sparking a severe downturn reminiscent of 2022. The fact that the White House doesn't seem overly concerned about a potential recession is also a strong signal that things are about to take a turn for the worse. As we head into the final stretch of 2024, it's clear that Quinn Thompson's bearish outlook on Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market is worth taking seriously. So what do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin's prospects in the coming year? Let us know in the comments below.